What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on my Prelude. It's been a minute since we did a Prelude video because we've been waiting for the full Aero kit, and today it is finally here. We'll be installing the front lip, the side skirts, and the rear duckbill spoiler. Just gonna transform the Prelude. Now, on the previous video, you guys saw the mock-up duckbill spoiler that we took off already. That was 3D printed, and now with the final version. And then we also have this new side skirts that I didn't showcase to you guys, as well as a front lip. I'm gonna show you guys how to install a new Aero kit today. It's gonna transform the car, and everything is in stock as well. So if you're interested in the parts, check the link below. And surprisingly, I know there's not a lot of Preludes out there. We sold a good amount of springs and spacers. So that means, I think we sold about like 40 sets. So there are actually more Preludes coming out, and they're also selling at MSRP. So before we continue, let's go ahead and show you the products, and I'm gonna show you how to put everything together and show you step by step how putting it on. If you're new to the channel, on my Prelude, we have about 3,000 miles right now. This is probably the most comfortable daily ever. It is still slow. It has the same motor as this. Civic hybrid, yes, exact same motor. So the price is obviously a lot more for the Prelude, but it looks much better. I'm lowered on our AFD Sport Springs and pair with some Titan 7 wheels. These are 18.5 plus 45 offset on a 265/35 tire. So very functional fitment, slight drop, but not too aggressive. But with the Aero kit today, it's gonna transform the car. So let's get one last good look of the car, and then we'll show you guys the products. All right guys, in front of you, this is our front lip V1. This is made out of our hybrid poly material, so it's super flexible. It won't break or crack when you hit something. It comes finished in gloss jet black finish. It is a 3-piece lip, so you're gonna be mounting this together. In the hardware, you get 4 of these screws, connection screws. You connect on both sides, and then using the self-tapping screws on the bottom, you put it on the car. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick mock-up to see what it looks like. Look at this. Ow. So that's just a quick mock-up, guys. I'm gonna put on the lip and show you guys. So that's the front lip. In front of you guys, this is the new side skirts as well. This is inspired by the FL5 Type R, as you can see from the fin. Very aggressive. Still trying to keep it that OEM Plus look without doing too much. Let's go this side. Straightforward, guys. You put it under the OEM factory side skirts and drill on. A lot of you guys will be asking, what about the rear? So we are working a full diffuser and rear spat setup. But in the meantime, the most aggressive I think we're gonna change in the back is the rear duckbill. We have here the gloss black version of the duckbill. As you guys know, the rear hatch is a 3-piece. So we can't make a 1-piece, so it's gonna be a 3-piece setup. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick mock-up of what it would look like. Everything is 3M double-sided tape for the rear. I'm gonna show you guys how to prep this and install it properly to give it that full look. Oh, I'm just gonna gently put it here. Just do a quick mock-up. Damn. Look at that, guys. A quick mock-up. As you can tell from the rear, it's much more aggressive, looks less naked. I know a lot of guys will have the factory option wing. In a separate video, for those who have the OEM spoiler, we're gonna show you guys how to remove that and install a duckbill spoiler. All right guys, so we're gonna start ahead and do the rear. So for this kit, in the package, you'll get an adhesive promoter as well as the spoiler itself. To do this is super easy. You cannot mess this up. This is legit like Legos. So under the spoiler, you have a tape. You literally just peel it and stick it on. Make sure you prep the surface, which we're gonna do with the adhesive promoter and some alcohol wipe. Step 1, use alcohol spray and wipe it down, which we already did. Make sure you don't use detailers because it has wax and it will not help with 3M tape. Now in the package, you'll get the adhesive promoter. This is like glue. If you apply this properly, make sure you do it in a warm 60, 70 degree weather, and it will stick like crazy. Simply apply the adhesive at the very top edge where the spoiler is gonna sit. Don't be shy about not using enough to add more. This, like I said, will definitely help the spoiler stick. Once that is done, make sure you peel the 3M double-sided tape. Make sure when you do this, do not peel the whole 3M tape off, because if you do stick it on, it's gonna be very troublesome to remove the 3M tape. This is the perfect example. You can peel the sides off and then peel a little bit part of the on the sides and then apply it on. So, all right guys, let's do this. Just make sure that the back is flush with the trunk and the sides are even. Add some pressure. Like I said, the adhesive promoter is gonna help 3M tape bond to the trunk and it will never come off. Like I am shaking the car right now, guys, look at this. Now that is done, you can go ahead and proceed to the side pieces. Same thing apply, make sure the side is flush with the trunk. And apply down. Same thing with the side, make sure it's flush on the edges. And we are done. So just like that, the rear took less than 3 minutes, and you can still have access opening the trunk latch. All right guys, for the front lip, I gotta just mock it up from the bottom. Make sure the sides are flush. There's a slot here on the very corner of the bumper that'll line up with the side of the lip. Before I start, make sure you take out the 2 side clips. So make sure the side's flush. On the inside, everything's tucking properly. And then we're gonna go ahead and install our first screw. Then you can walk to the other side and do the same. Self-tapping screws, you're good to go. As you can see, it is on, very sturdy. Like I said, this lip is made out of a new hybrid poly material, so it can withstand taking beatings and scraping and stuff like that. Occasionally, a ladder or 2 on the freeway will be okay too. All right, and then next up, we're gonna be moving to the side skirts. Same thing applies. You're gonna have to put the side skirt under the car and use the self-tapping screws. All right guys, for the side skirts, there is 1 OEM screw that can be removed that will be going back into the very front slot of the side skirts. By the way, if you do have mud guards, the mud guard needs to be removed on both ends. Okay, one is done. You can do the one in the back. All right guys, now that we're done side skirts, we're gonna load the car and let's see what it looks on the floor. All right guys, we are done. Look at this, look at this. This is the definition of OEM Plus. The lip sits not too low, but low enough where the car looks so aggressive. And coming to the side, it feels like a Prelude Type S vibes, Type R, sorry, Prelude Type R vibes, giving that aggressive kick on the side. Again, this is super easy to install. It took me about 30 minutes total for the whole kit. Now I know, like I said earlier, the rear is missing something, so we are gonna be working on a diffuser, middle section, and side section spats. So it's just to finish off the touch, but a high kick spoiler in the back definitely gives the car more characteristics. Again, everything is OEM Plus. If you guys are interested in these parts, check the link below. These just dropped, so get yours today. A couple of Preludes coming next week to get it installed, but thank you for the video guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next Prelude video because I am tracking the car.